Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in front of us today we do have the Spigen Glas.TR EZ Fit screen protector. This is going to be for my iPhone 16 Pro. So this is one of my favorite screen protectors. I've been using this for the past 3 years on all 3 generations of iPhones, and I've had no issues with this so far. I've also used it for all my other devices as well, and so far this has been one of my top screen protectors. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check this out. Opening it up, all we have to do is pull down from here, and inside we do get these 2 trays. Let's see, nothing else inside of the box. All right, so again, inside we do get these 2 trays. These have been pre-applied. They have screen protectors in them, which is really nice. You don't have to do anything. We do get 2 sets of instruction manuals, so if you do throw one out, I don't know why they needed 2, but they included it. We also do get this foam pad. This is to just place your phone on top, and then you can also keep the tool right here, the squeegee right there. But again, this is to place your phone on top of there. And inside of this, we do have all of our cleaning products to prep your device. So let's go ahead and get this set up. All right, so here is everything we're going to need. Here's our foam pad to place our phone on top of. They actually did include this year. They didn't have it on the 15 Pro. We have our alcohol pad or our lens cleaning wipe, our dust removal sticker, our microfiber cloth under that, and then also our squeegee to push out any air bubbles if you do have any. But honestly, I don't really use this too much. And then we also do have our tray with our pre-applied screen protector. So before beginning, the number one thing I do recommend is actually powering off your device. So let's go ahead and power that off so it doesn't annoy you and just turn on randomly. Next up, all we have to do is go ahead and wipe our display. So let's go ahead and grab that and get down to wiping. So again, just wipe it down to get the grease off. Honestly, I don't really need to do this. I did have another one applied before, but again, we'll go ahead and do it for the sake of the video so I can show you guys. So let's go ahead and get this wiped down and then dry it off. All right, after you do wipe it down, you're gonna go ahead and get your microfiber cloth to actually dry it off. So you do have a nice dry display. And open it up, continue drying. And once you are done with that, which I think we are, we'll go ahead and grab our dust removal sticker and remove any dust particles on there. So again, I do recommend doing this under some light so you can actually see the dust particles. But again, that is up to you. It's your preference, but that is just my recommendation. So all we have to do is just get the dust off, which should be super easy. Go ahead and check it one final time. And now all we have to do is just grab our screen protector, peel this back off, and align it with the phone. So just go ahead and place it on top, push, press and slide, and wait 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and wait for that. All right, and now that the 30 seconds have passed, let's go ahead and pull this sticker. So just pull from the top and then push that to the side. And now just push down, pull your tray up, and that's it. Our tray is now empty. We do have this plastic film. Once you get rid of that, as you can see, here is our installed screen protector. So we'll go ahead and push down the edges, go ahead and get the air bubbles out. Boom, just gonna get every single edge right there. Just push down, boom, and that is it. As you can see, here we have a perfect installation. Go ahead and get one final wipe with our microfiber cloth right here. Just wipe it down one final time. Go ahead and push down all the edges again, just to be certain. And boom, that is gonna be it. We now have an edge-to-edge screen protector, perfectly clear. It protects the whole device and you don't miss out on any functionality. And it's just a super easy install. As you saw, that didn't really take too long. And if I didn't do any of the explaining, it would have taken me like 40 seconds maybe. So again, the Spigen Glas.TR EZ Fit is one of the easiest screen protectors to install and also one of my favorite screen protectors. So again, here's a look. Everything works fine. Let's go ahead and try our Face ID real quick. Again, that works fine as well. So no issues with that. The display functions perfectly. So no issues. Again, it's an edge-to-edge screen protector, covers the whole screen. And as you saw, that was a very quick install, very easy install, and a dust-free install. So again, I am perfectly satisfied with the screen protector. So that will basically wrap it up for this video. As always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you do want to check the screen protector out, there will be a link in the description. So see y'all in the next one.